The genesis of this book lies in a growing concern, a persistent unease that has settled over Atlanta like a disquieting mist. It is a concern for the women of this vibrant city, for their safety and their freedom in a world that too often underestimates the pervasive nature of threats. As an investigative journalist, my work has often led me down paths of inquiry into the darker corners of society, seeking truth and shedding light on issues that demand our attention. This investigation into the escalating issue of kidnappings in Atlanta is no different. It is an endeavor born out of a profound sense of responsibility to inform, to empower, and to equip the women who call the city home with the knowledge they need to navigate their environment with greater confidence and security. Over the past years, a troubling pattern has emerged, supported by statistics and anecdotal evidence, suggesting an alarming trend that cannot be ignored. This book is the culmination of extensive research, analysis of crime data from 2008 to the present, and a deep dive into the modus operandi of those who seek to exploit vulnerability. It is also a testament to the courage of survivors and the dedication of those working to combat these crimes. We will explore the historical context of such incidents in Atlanta, dissect the specific tactics used by perpetrators, and map the urban landscapes that may present heightened risks. Furthermore, we will delve into the psychological impact on victims and the broader community, examine the legal frameworks in place, and, most importantly, provide practical, actionable strategies for personal safety, de-escalation, and community resilience. My aim is not to incite fear, but to foster an informed, an empowered citizenry capable of recognizing threats, protecting themselves, and collectively contributing to a safer Atlanta for all. This is an investigation into the shadow with the ultimate goal of bringing more light. Atlanta, a city of dynamism, culture, and relentless progress, is also a tapestry woven with the threads of everyday life, where the pursuit of dreams and the comfort of home are the aspirations of its residents. Yet, beneath this vibrant surface, a more somber reality has begun to emerge, a threat that whispers of danger and demands our urgent attention. The increasing prevalence of kidnappings. This book is a focused investigation into this unsettling phenomenon, specifically examining its impact on the women of Atlanta, a demographic particularly vulnerable to such predatory acts. From 2008 to the present day, we have witnessed shifts in crime patterns, and the statistics paint a picture that warrants a deep, unflinching look. This investigation is not merely an academic exercise. It is a critical call to awareness and preparedness. We aim to dissect the problem by understanding its historical roots within the city, tracing how incidents and their patterns have evolved. We will meticulously detail the scope of the problem through data analysis, identifying temporal increases and geographical hotspots across the metropolitan area. A significant portion of this work will be dedicated to understanding why women, in particular, may be disproportionately targeted or perceive themselves as more vulnerable. This examination is not about assigning blame, but about identifying societal, environmental, and behavioral factors that contribute to risk, thereby enabling us to develop more effective preventative measures. Our purpose is clear: to serve as an expository tool and an empowering guide for the women of Atlanta and those who care about their safety. We will delve into the anatomy of a kidnapping, exploring the common methods, victim selection processes, and the critical initial hours following an abduction. The urban landscape itself, with its unique development patterns and nighttime challenges, will be analyzed for its role in exacerbating risks. Ultimately, this investigation promises to equip readers with essential knowledge, practical safety strategies, de-escalation techniques, and the power of community engagement, all aimed at fostering a more secure environment in Atlanta. By understanding the threat, we can better prepare to meet it, ensuring that the pursuit of life, liberty, and happiness in this great city remains an unhindered right for every woman.